Lizanne asks a very simple question. Will a client have the option to replace a standard burst geyser with a stainless steel if they're willing to pay the difference in cost? So that's an insurance-y question. So yes, indeed they can. So in fact, you can upgrade to anything. The insurance companies are very helpful. So if your geyser limit is 8,000 Rand, your plumber would just quote what it would cost, probably 7,900 Rand to do a normal geyser, and then you would give a quote to do the upgrade, whether it's a stainless steel geyser, whether you wanted to go solar, or whether you wanted to double the size of your geyser. You would just pay the difference between the two invoices. Okay, so that's simple, and most insurance companies are very accommodating with that. And we facilitate that. Another good thing of using the call centers, particularly if it's CIA, CIB, sometime coming on board a little bit, but CIA and CIB particularly, we've got hotline access to the right people within, and we can quickly accommodate, and Glenn is very helpful with that. The nice thing about Waterlight being on the call centers, if they're allocated to your building, is that they've got solar at their disposal for you, and they've got the stainless steel geysers, so you can upgrade to a range of products. Glenn, do you want to add to that?
No, Mike. I also think that there is a contribution to greening. So there is a CIA, for example, have a 2,000 Rand contribution to going green as well. So yeah, they certainly do come to the party with that. If you wanted to go to stainless steel, I don't think they would contribute to going green in that space, but they would definitely do as long as the homeowner is paying his difference, exactly as you said.